So this one's probably gonna be the most work out of these two. This one just, it's got a lot wrong with it. That motor's probably junk. I mean, like, it probably run, but it probably has no power at all. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go find some parts for this thing and see if we can't find an engine. We got two engines in here. One of them ran the last time both of them ran the last time I tried them. One of them missing more parts than the other, but I have the parts to fix them, so we should be able to get one decent running engine out of these two. This one actually has the carburetor on it. This one ran the best if I remember correctly. I just need to put a flywheel on it and pull starter and all the other stuff. But yeah, it's still got the coil and everything on it. It's got the ignition switch there. So this one, I think we're gonna go with this one. We'll leave that one for another project, but I know that one runs. So let's see what we got for wheels. That's replacement. I think I got the wheels right here. Yeah. So we got one there, one there. There's a flywheel that'll work for this one. And we got plenty of the height adjusters here. Yeah, this is what we need right here. Is this one. So let's get all the parts and get to wrenching. All right, got everything we need. We got rear wheels, got the flywheel, got the cowling, and we got our engine. So if I remember, this has a problem with the crankshaft, and it has, the threads are a little busted up, but you can get a nut to go on. So that's the only problem I remember this engine having. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this engine all taken apart, and we're gonna get the parts ready to go on this one. Now we just gotta put the blade on it, and then then we're just gonna worry about the kill switch and everything, all that later. Alright, it's pretty much ready to have gas put in it, but before we do that, let's go ahead and get these rear wheels replaced and we'll get the handle on it. Alright, so for the handle, we just gotta tighten it up a little bit. Here and here. Well, actually, let's go ahead and take that one off. I got a better one. Did I ever tell you guys I like lawnmowers without saying I like lawnmowers? It's a brand new handle, right? Well, alright, everything's all put back together. Get some clean gas in it. Something in my tank. Not sure which way the on and off switch is on this thing. We got gas going to it. Alright guys, it's pretty good. A little, didn't want to stay running at first, but just primed a little more and it finally stayed running. Runs pretty good. This engine always did run fine whenever I had it on whatever it came off of. So yeah, I mean, it seems to run great. Still gotta fix the on and off switch, but I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Worst case scenario, I could just stick it somewhere, you know, not here or something. So I'm not gonna worry too much about it. But other than that, yeah, this thing runs pretty good. So I'm probably gonna use it next year since there's not really a market for these things anyway, so I can't really sell it. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video, and we will continue with the other lawnmower in the next video. Take care, guys.